Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. This episode, on the last episode, we finished Gordra City, Ruins of Oltanis, a very, very long and very annoying planet to me, and we're heading to the robot plant in Quartu. Let's go. Yeah, time to just kick up my feet, put down my controller, and just watch space travel. So unfortunately, when I loaded this up, it played the cutscene that's supposed to be playing here. But basically, Drek is like, "Rawr, rawr, 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 rawr. I hate, rawr, 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 rawr. Let's get rid of a planet, rawr, rawr, rawr." So, here we are. Now, for the oldies who have like either played this game or remember the beginning of it, this is where Clanck came from. You see like the big robot like walking around down there. That's just a big Clanck. But we're not going that way yet. We're going this way. To an equally, actually I would say even more insufferable part. Come on, yes. Water levels, water levels, water levels, water. Okay, I thought I was gonna hit that. Ooh, Sparky. Whee. Come on. Alright, this is probably gonna take like 1,000,000% of my concentration. Straight out here. I swam right into, and that one too, and that one too. Jesus Christ! Come on. Woo. And I died. Damn, last time I made that shit on like my first try. Alright. Whoop. Whoop. Ah! I say whoop. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Whee. Seamless. First try. You all sound great. What's this? Sparkly bit. And now bolts are pulled to me. Check this shit out. Boom. That's anticlimactic. Anyway, they're pulled to me from farther away. Apparently, I was too far away. Alright, let's get the Devastator out.
You'll need the Gadgetron hologuise to explore the factory. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect a hologuise on this planet.
Okie dokie. So those guys have really long range and they're really annoying. But they're solved by doing this. It's called being a weenie and exploiting range differences. Because weenie as I may be, I'm not stupid. Cut to a compilation of every time I'm literally stupid. Just like that. What? And just like that. Christ. I meant to do this. Fly over here. Yeah, let me just get out of your range real quick. Let me just swarm you with my army of little bastards. Burn! How are you alive? How did that one survive? Yes, yes. Get them, my minions. I did not have to made it all the way over here. My little guys, my little dudes, my little grimbos.
Was it pi over infinity, or...
Hey! You need help fixing that thing?
Actually, I'm trying to destroy it.
Why?
I was contracted to re-engineer my enlarging machine to create huge, heavily armed
I like how he's
mechs.
just
So
like
that's where those mechs
unapologetically
came from.
Irish,
Precisely. Had I known Drek was behind
even
this,
down to the ginger hair and green shirt.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, if you'll volunteer to be enlarged, you may be able to stop those mechs long enough for me to sabotage this machine.
And then you will change me back?
I've never tried that, but in theory, yes.
Let's imbigonate. Become small. Yeah. Literally so big, these little guys can't even hurt me. Alright, I can't move and do this. So, if you haven't noticed the hilarity of this, Clanck is big, and Ratchet's just like on his back. Look at how tiny Ratchet is compared to Clanck now. Yeah.
When your energy bar is full, press the triangle button to unleash an atomic energy blast.
Finally getting hurt. Hooray. Okay, this is actually liking my game. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, woo-choo. Die. Little fuckers, die.
Well done! Now just step into the machine and we'll see what happens.
Huh.
Nice to have
Honestly,
you back.
I thought that level would be a little longer.
I've recalibrated the controls to allow only your specific circuit pattern.
Oh, perfect.
I don't know how to thank you two. Maybe this'll help.
Ooh.
New! From Gadgetron, the makers of weapons and other fine products, comes the Hollow Guys. With the Hollow Guys, you can fool robots into thinking you're one of them. Match your wits against other robots. Work on robotic assembly lines. Attend robot parties. The Hollow Guys. Available only at Gadgetron headquarters for a limited time. Not to be used for illegal purposes. We're only in sanctioned areas. You will not actually become a robot.
If I can get
Nice.
that thing, I'll be able to get past those robot guards.
Robots are not so easily fooled.
Ah, what's that?
What?
Uh-huh.
Well, at least I cleared the way for me. Yeah. That's it. What are they dumping? Hey. They're just dropping shit. Alright. I'm just gonna do one of these to get rid of one of those. And direct hit right in the ass. It's strange that these guys respawn. I like target practice. Lord knows I need to work on my aim. Alright. Well, we're gonna call that an episode here. Relatively short one, but I prefer to have a decently short one than one that's way too damn long. So, thank y'all for watching. I hope you had fun. I sure did. Goodbye.